Hi, today I am going to show you the stacks in SwiftUI. Let's get started. So, SwiftUI stacks bootcamp. Alright, next, create. Okay, so this is a completely brand new project and it doesn't have any contents. So, let's get started from this. So, at first, let's see about ZStack. ZStack, in this thing, if we write something, this is a ZStack. So things will be centered in a ZStack. So if we write another text, no, name is Sajid. Okay, so yes, so as you see, as you are writing, all are overlapping the contents. So if you write another thing, for example, Shan, okay, so excuse me, and then okay, so there you are seeing that in ZStack, whatever you add is going to be centered. Okay, so let's make a V stack. So let's convert to V stack. V stack. Now you can see this is a V stack. So let's ZStack and see and test. Okay, so here you can see V stack and V stack. Okay, all right. So in the same thing, we cannot. So you can see. Okay, so let's comment out. Uh, this tag is like this. Okay, so we can place a v stack within a z stack. What will happen like this? So not much difference. So what it is the v stack. It put the v stack in the center of this z stack. So let's test h stack. Sorry. Now let's check out HStack and mm, so what will happen in HStack? For example, text. This is HStack. So and if we do something like this and then another one text click on it, so it's doing like this. So HStack will place the things components horizontally. So let's make it like this spacer. Okay, so you can see uh, it places the components horizontally. So padding, so we added a padding on it. So now let's see the spacer thing in VStack as well. Shit. So let's see VStack and okay. So after this, let's add some spacer and then uh, let's move the text page VStack VStack. So font headline. Okay, so padding yes, and let's move the button. So cut paste here. So what happens is you can see uh, spacer added and things adding vertically. So let's add a text, second text in this tag, and again spacer. So what will happen now? So it will happen something like this. For example, let's place a Z stack within a V stack. So Z stack rectangle fill color dot blue. So color dot gray dot opacity 0.5. All right. So and in top let's add a simple header. For example, H stack, and here for example let's add an image. So system name star fill. Sorry, let's see menu menu dot or something like bars. So let me take a look at SF symbols pro. SF symbols, SF symbols. Let's go. Yeah. So here searching bar. So for example, what so menu menu is there. Where is it? Okay, let's put this icon and let's concentrate in the main topic instead of searching icons. Okay, so let's see dot resizable dot frame right. Okay, yeah. So right, let's see 40 and 8 40 dot this is big, and let's change to 32. So let's see, to hit 32. Okay, so let's foreground color dot dot pink. Okay, so let's add another spacer, and then let's add a button like button. So for example, giving no actions, and text add add item. So button action. Okay, so dot bold. Okay, the pink is not looking great, so great. Yes, this is good. And let's add some padding here. So let's padding. So you can see now have something, a logo, and something we added. This is a full v stack, and within the v stack we added edge stack and spacer and z stack and button. So let's skip it, and dot frame max white dot infinity, and then dot frame 8, for example 40, and dot background color dot blue. Yes, let's see, color dot blue, and foreground color white. Skip. Okay, so dot ignores safe area. So now padding, padding. Okay, so let's add something here. For example, this tag, this tag, and there is stack. Okay, and adding some sort of padding dot bottom 8. Okay, and dot padding dot horizontal comma 4. Okay, so let's see something. mm, Stroke shape, leaf shape, rounded rectangle, corner radius 8. So height is equal to, so 50. Okay, and color, let's see, color dot pink, or color dot black. Black. Okay, so how the stacks work in SwiftUI. Now let's see something here, and let's add another edge stack here. For example, in many applications you see something like uh, two buttons, right? So edge stack we are adding spacing. So spacing, for example 4, and let's add these buttons, cut and Again, another button. Let's see. The mouse got trouble. Copy and then paste. Okay, so now let's the padding. Cut. And let's remove the V stack and add this. Alright, so skip. So for example, let's background color dot gray, and here right next. So and here let's add the spacing to 8, and let's see bottom. Okay, so you can, so here if we don't add the stack, we can add v stack as well and many things as we want. Or for example, we can add a circle or an image. So padding. Okay, so color dot red, color dot green. We can add anything as we want. So I hope you had a basic understanding about these tags in SwiftUI. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will check the comments as you write. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.